Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add that sunset shadows effect on your photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, first tap at that big plus sign to add a photo to a Lensa app. You can scroll down until you find the photo that you want to edit. Let it be that one. You can check mark it and hit on add. Now that moves you to editor mode, where first off I recommend you to use magic retouch feature. I recommend you to use it on each of your photos because it highly improves image quality. You can just tap at any of that filters to see the result. And right now, to compare it with the original photo, you can hit at reset to see the original photo, and then you can pick some of that magic retouch presets to see how amazing photo looks right now, because it adds a lot of different filters at the same time to your photo, just in one click. So once you did that, you can move on to the next step. Just get into effects tab. There are a lot of different effects. You can taste all of them, but video is about that effect. It calls sunset, and you can just tap on that to add that effect to your photo. That effect has 4 different presets. You can in that way change any of them. I like that one and that one. And once you selected some of them, you can scroll down for a bit, and there you are able to customize it. You can change filter intensity. In that way, that controls that additional filter, the effect you can see right in that way. And also you can change texture transparency, just like that. I like that one. Once you finished with that, you can continue editing your photo, or you can just hit on save to save it to your phone's gallery. Then you can hop out Lensa, open up Photos app, and at Recents you can easily find the photo that we have just created. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.